Okay guys, in this video we're going to talk about measurement conversions with ratios. So you learned about conversions in the past, and you've probably heard of big to small, mol, and that relates to multiply, mol, multiply, sounds the same. So when you're going from a bigger unit to a smaller unit, you're going to multiply. Big to small, mol, multiply. Small to big, you divide. Okay? When we work with metric system, a lot of times we just slide the decimal point, right? King Henry died Monday drinking chocolate milk. Okay, so you know how to do those kinds of conversions. We can also use WKU for conversions, and it's very, very simple to use. And we can convert between measurement systems using WKU. So we can convert from customary to metric and metric to customary using WKU very easily. Okay, so we're going to do a couple examples like that. I'm going to show you. So looking at these examples, example 1, 2, and 3, you can see here in example 1, we are talking about going from inches to centimeters. So let's customary to metric, right? So we're using WKU for that, and I can't stress how easy WKU is enough. So words, what am I doing? I'm going inches to centimeters. What do I know? Well, I would look at my equivalency table. You always get that equivalency table, equivalency chart, or be given that information. You don't have to memorize that. But 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters. So then they're telling you that you have 3 inches. So your U then is 3. How do you get from 1 to 3? Well, I have to multiply by 3, right? If I multiply my numerator by 3, I have to multiply my denominator by 3. Therefore, 3 inches is equivalent to 7.62 centimeters. Okay? So that's the first example using WKU. Our second example here, we are going from kilograms to pounds. So they're telling us here that our words are kilogram to pounds. What do I know? So that was my words. What do I know? 1 kilogram is equal to approximately 2.2 pounds. I want to know how many pounds are in 8 kilograms. Well, how do I get from 1 to 8? I have to multiply by 8 over 8, right? So if I multiply my denominator by 8, I have to multiply my numerator by 8. 2.2 times 8 is equal to 17.6. Therefore, 8 kilograms is equal to 17.6 pounds. Pretty simple, right? And then finally, our last example, we have 12 pints is equal to 6 quarts. Here I am in customary system here. So again, I'm just going to use WKU. Pints to quarts are my words. I have 2 pints to 1 quart. So I want to know how many quarts are in 12 pints. That's my U. I'm going to multiply by 6 over 6 because how do I get from 2 to 12? Well, it's times 6. If I multiply my denominator by 6, I have to multiply, or my numerator by 6, sorry. I have to multiply my denominator by 6. So 12 pints is equal to 6 quarts. So that's how you do measurement conversions using WKU. In my opinion, it's easier than what you learned back in 5th grade because it's just so much simpler to keep it in that fraction ratio style. And, line it up with your words. What do I know? What is unknown? What am I trying to figure out? So there you have it. Measurement conversions using ratios. Thanks.